going on, guys? Eric here from Doses of ET. Happy to bring you another video. As you can see, we got the first alert, 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. So basically, this can work with the Ring. It's the big reason I bought it. And obviously, it does what it says. It's there to detect stuff, set off an alarm so you know you have a fire in your house, or you have some type of carbon monoxide going on within your house that you may not know of. So the best part about this is they do work with Ring. Like what I said, it's easy, simple setup, how you set up all your other Ring products, which is great. Obviously includes the batteries, which is even better because a lot of products don't even include the batteries anymore, which is stupid. But basically there's nothing too particular. When it goes off, it'll basically notify you. So obviously, like any other alarm, you eventually have to replace the batteries. Usually they last anywhere between 6 months to a year. It just depends. Like if it goes off multiple times, obviously it's going to use more battery. But most of the time you don't have to replace them for a year or so. You shouldn't replace the batteries, and most times that's when they tell you when you should be replacing the batteries anyways, just so they don't die. But so unboxing it here, comes actually in a decently cool package. Pop that off. That's a little code thing. It's got a little fire safety. Pull this out of the way. We'll see. This is all your documentation, which is cool. Hopefully we don't need any of that stuff to figure out how it works, because it should just be set up through Ring. Then obviously what you're looking for is this thing. So it looks pretty simple. Looks like any other smoke alarm that you would have, basically. It does come in two pieces. Obviously you got to screw this to your ceiling or wherever you're putting it. Maybe some people won't put it on their ceiling, but that's where I'm putting it. It comes obviously with your two batteries, which is nice. Then it also gives you some anchors and some screws to screw it in, which is also nice. Now you don't have to find the pieces to make sure everything works. But it's pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple to set up. You'll scan the QR codes like you always do. Bada bing, bada boom, it works. Or at least that's what I hope. But basically that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you unboxing. I think this is the best route to go. If you don't have a Ring system, definitely get a Ring system because it's unbelievable. I like everything about it. I have one issue with Ring right now, but I'll give you an update further down the road about what the issue is. Just as of right now, I don't have all the answers, and I gotta figure out the answers on how to fix what I need to fix. But other than that one issue, everything works seamless. I'm hoping this does the same thing. If it doesn't, you'll see a video about this of why I'm not using it or I'm buying something else. But if you guys got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Peace.